Wow, this looks useful. Let's plot 1, 11 then. So put my coordinate in of 1, 11. Here's my coordinate bit. So x is 1 and y was 11. Okay, so that's plotted 1, 11. Oh, I don't like that. I should be using a nice neat cross. Still, if I was doing it on graph paper, I could do it properly. Let's put in my next coordinate. When x is 2, y is 15. Plotted it there. And my final coordinate I've got is 3, 19. So when x is 3, y is 19. Okay. Oh good, they all lie in a nice straight line like that. I wonder where it would continue to down here, where it would cross the y-axis. So over here we've got x is 0. What would I get for my input if x was 0? I haven't got my function machine up, but let's see if we can do it. 4 times 0, or anything times 0 is 0. Add 7, so I just get 7. So I want to put in that last coordinate. When x is 0, we've got y is 7. Oh, and that was the C we were singing about in our song. 0, 7. Lovely. Now let's draw a straight line. There we go, a straight line through my points. And that's my first line that I've drawn today. That's the line y equals 4x plus 7. So maybe you could design a function machine and then you choose some y equals mx plus c type lines. So let's say you chose 5x plus 2. Then you would need to make a function machine, decorate it to make it look exciting. The first operation for this your one would be times by 5, and then you'd be asking it to add on 2. And like I had, you've got to have an input here, you've got to have the x going in, and you've got to have an output here where the y values come out. So then you can choose different inputs. If you're stuck for ideas, you could choose 0, 1, 2, 3, whatever you like for x, and then work out what the output values are for y. Turn these into coordinates, and you can plot them on graph paper and join them up, and they should always be a straight line. What you may want to do, I'll give you some suggestions, is when you've done a couple of them, perhaps try keeping the m number the same. So keep that 5x as 5x and change the last number, and draw them all on the same graph and see what you notice about that family of lines. Or else you could change the first number and keep the last one the same. So you could have y equals 2x plus, why not have 0? Then you could have 2x, sorry, let's have 3x plus 0, and then 4x plus 0, and so on. Or you may want to have y equals, say, 7x plus 1, and then change it to 8x plus 1, change it to 9x plus 1. So in each of these families I'm keeping something the same and changing the other thing. Put each family on the same graph and think about any patterns that you spot. Good luck, I hope you have fun.